Sending messages. When we open a channel, the Conversations tab will be displayed. This is where we will post and view messages. To post a message, click in the Compose box. Now, we will type our message. Now, press Enter or click the arrow on the right to send it. Once we have posted our message, it will appear in the channel, visible to all members. Now, let's take a look at the commands below the Compose box. Clicking on the Format button will expand the Compose box, giving us more room to type and to access additional formatting commands. Clicking the Attach button, this is where you can add a file to your message. Clicking the Emoji button, this is where you can insert an emoji to your message. Clicking on the Giphy button, this lets you add a GIF to your message. Clicking the Sticker button, will let you add a sticker to your message. Clicking the Meet Now button, will let you to start a meeting, be it video or audio. Clicking on the Stream button, will let you to share a video from Microsoft Stream in your message. Clicking on the Praise button, will let you to send praises to people. Clicking on the messaging extensions, will let you access content from other sources, such as YouTube and Wikipedia articles. Editing a sent message. To edit a message we have posted, we will move our mouse over it and click the ellipses in its right corner. Click Edit from the menu that opens. The Compose box will now reopen. Now, simply make your changes. Press Enter to update the message. Replying to a message. To reply to a message, click the reply link below the message. Now, we will type and send our message. As you can see, the same commands are available as when sending a message, including the expanded Compose box. Our message reply will now be visible in the channel, indented under the original message. Adding files to a message. To add a file to our message, click the paperclip icon. Now, choose where to add the file from. Let's select Upload from my computer. We can now browse to and choose the file we want to add. Click on the file to start uploading it to our message. Now, click the arrow or press Enter to send our message. As you can see, it will be added to the channel. Deleting a message. We can delete a message we have posted. We can do this by moving our mouse over the message, and then clicking the ellipses on the right of it. Now, click Delete. We can now see the message has been removed from the channel. Want to know more? Then subscribe to the How To channel and find out how to navigate Office 365.